Hey guys, it's your girl, it's Ethiopian, and I am back with another video. I am here with an unboxing hair review, I guess, for Kalahi hair. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's the ponytail that I have on right now. Okay, don't judge me, my face, or my hair right now, or even the ponytail. I done went to church, cried, took a nap, and then woke back up, and I was like, oh my god, I gotta do my intro before I can start editing. So here we are. And I do have at the end of this video, before I did all that, before all the mess, so you can see everything. Again, it's just an unboxing type of review. This is actually my first hair, my first ponytail. Excuse me, this is my first ponytail ever that's like real human hair. I just started experimenting with ponytails and wigs and all that in April when I went through a really bad chop. But that's another story time for another day, child. Anyways, before I continue and belabor the point, don't forget to @ my handle @it's Ethiopian on Instagram, Twitter, and Tumblr. And check out my website, dearethiopia.org. Yes, and also if you want to get money off, I don't know how this works because I paid full price for this hair. Well, I got a discount, but it's not because I'm a YouTuber. They had like some sale going on, and then because I was a new customer, I was able to add on top of that sale. So basically, let me tell y'all the tea before I even start going. They had some sale. I want to say it was 30% off of all ponytails, and then because I was a new customer, they had like one of those things you enter your email in, and you spin it around, and you'll get either like 15% off, 12% off, or whatever, a free wig, which I've never heard anyone winning anywhere. But you see, I'm feeling myself. Hold on. Anyways, I got 12%, so I was just going to try and see, and the 30% was already applied to my cart when I added it there, and then when I went to discounts, I was able to add an additional 12%, so I got 42% off. Again, they don't know that I'm doing a review at all, so other than that, I paid full price for it. And they didn't send me some different type of hair because they knew it was going to be reviewed. None of that. No. They don't know who I am. And then again, I'm new to this whole hair game thing. So that's why I just did an unboxing versus like a whole hair review, more of an unboxing review. And I'll do a review later once I get some wears out of this hair. But it is super soft. It's really cute. They had a picture of Gabrielle Union wearing it, and I'll put it here. And I was like, oh, and if you know me, I love me some Gab. Is my girl. That's my shawty. Her little daughter is my niece, like, period. You know how some people are obsessed with Beyonce? Okay, I ain't all the way there with Gab, but like, Gab, sis, what's up? I haven't seen my niece and I haven't even met her yet, so, you know, fly me out, shawty. But anyways, I don't know if she actually wore the wig, or if they were saying like we have a hair similar to what she has. But it was really cute, and it matches pretty well. And I had been following this hair company for a while. I want to say since probably since about April, once some lady accidentally cut off my. Okay, I'm about to just go ahead and cut it short. Let me see if there's anything else. Oh yeah, I was trying to say you guys can use my code. Again, I don't know how this works. You can get a code too. I'm not special because again, they don't know I'm recording. Everybody can get their own code where they share, and that those people get percentage off. And I believe I get 6%. I don't know how it works. It said something about 6%. So I don't know if you get 6% off or if I get 6% off my next order. I don't know. But that code is going to be in the description box below. I'm pretty sure it's not going to be anything affiliated to my name or my YouTube, or I mean, unless they use my email address to create the code, which is what I use to purchase the order. I don't know, but use it, because your girl, YouTube doesn't pay me. Does not pay me. All these videos that I got, all these views, with the, okay, that's another tangent. All right, we're 5 minutes into the intro and it's not even the video. All right, bye. So this is the box that it came in through DHL Express, and I'm getting ready to cut this baby open. And this is the back of what she looks like on how to apply a lace wig, although we got a ponytail. So actually those were the only instructions that came with it. And the front says Kawaii Hair and has their social media. On the side, the box is like super cute. I love the pink and the details on it. And this is what it looks like when it opens. Again, this is my first time ordering from any company, so I wasn't expecting like lashes and all of this extra stuff. Like, look at this, so cute and so nice. Came with a silk scarf, which I definitely needed. And here's what she looks like. Yeah, that was extremely thoughtful for them to come up with this and send it. Now I gotta stop at the beauty store. It also came with another set of like a comb attachment and like those adjustable band straps that you can put on there, which is nice. I think that's more for the wig or whatever. But here is how the ponytail comes in, what it looks like in the box, and we're getting ready to open it. So yes, this is what it looks like straight out the box. I haven't untangled or done anything to it. Super curly, super soft, super wavy. So I wonder, you know, how's it gonna look like after a few washes and when I deep condition it. But yeah, here's a closer view of the curls. Just separating it so you guys can get a better view. I will also take off my green screen so you guys can see a better view. But yeah, that's what she looked like without the green screen and lighting effects. Here is a close-up on the ends. As you can see, very natural looking ends. I like how they're not like super raggedy or anything, but they are, you know, bushy. But I like it. The whole thing looks natural and there's nothing really coming out. Like, there's a couple strands here, but I've been like, you know, pulling at it as you guys can see. And there's like 1 or 2 strands of hair. And then some with none every time I pull out. And here's the inside of where your ponytail will go inside. It has 2 combs and then your like adjustable strap. And I'm not really too crazy about how flat that surface part is. I know with like synthetic wigs that I bought from like Sam's Beauty or whatever, it had more of a circular part, so it would sit easier on my ponytail. It's not bad, but it's not my favorite. This is the amount of hair that came out when finger detangling and putting the conditioner through the hair. So this is what the hair looks like after I deep conditioned it. I used my Elle Organics pomegranate conditioner. I'll post a picture in the video and put the link to their website in the description box below. But I left it in for a while. I don't know how long, but it was at least an hour or 2 for sure. This is what the hair looks like now that she is air dried. I didn't use any type of like electronic heat, just let her air dry. I might use a pick to comb it out. But there is something that I wanted to point out again with that parting situation. I noticed that there are just wefts that are just glued onto that section. Again, I'm used to using like
artificial hair, like the ponytails with the artificial hair. They look a lot, they were just made different. So this has to be something that I have to get used to. I'm gonna start with the ends and start picking it out very carefully there. And I'm gonna fast forward and show you guys what it looks like once I'm all done. So this is what she's looking like right about now, just continuously picking it out. And I'm really impressed with the volume. Like, the hair is just beautiful, beautiful. I'm not upset about my purchase. As you can see on the right hand side versus the left hand side where I picked it out, it's just using a wide tooth comb, and you can see there's not that much hair coming out at all. Like, not at all. Now this is what I look like with the hair on. Look at that volume. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, it's really cute. Go ahead, smile, girl. Smile. Get it, girl. So this is the side of the hair. As you can see, it blends in really, really, really nice. I just love it. Fluffing it all out. Shake it. Oh my gosh, here's what it looks like a top view. I do love how it like layers, so you can't see the little string or anything if someone was like taller or standing over you. But it's just so cute.
Again, thank you all for watching and subscribing and liking, because I know you all did and I appreciate it. But yeah, this outro is not to be as long as the intro, so all of my handles, all the links, the hair, all that is in the description box below. Go ahead and leave me a comment if you either use this hair or if you recommend another type of hair. And you guys just have a blessed day. Bye. Mwah.